We'll guide you through how to master color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Go to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom. Here you'll see the color wheels, which are essential for adjusting the color balance and saturation. Start by selecting a clip in the timeline that you want to grade. You can then use the primary color wheels to adjust the lift, gamma, and gain, which correspond to the shadows, midtones, and highlights of your video. This allows you to achieve a balanced look. Next, you should use the Curves panel. Click on the Curves tab, and you'll see options like Hue versus Hue, Hue versus Sat, and Luma versus Sat. These allow you to fine-tune specific colors or luminance levels in your video. For example, if the skin tones are too red, you can use Hue versus Hue to shift those tones to a more natural color. It's a powerful tool for precise adjustments. You can also add a LUT or lookup table to your clip for a quick, stylized look. Go to the LUTs panel and browse through the available options or import your own. Apply the LUT by dragging it onto your node in the node tree. Remember to use nodes to organize your grade. To add a new node, right-click in the node window and select Add Node, then Corrector. This helps keep your grades modular and easy to adjust. Finally, play back your clip and make any final tweaks to ensure your color grade looks consistent across the entire video. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.